Hello, 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 hello. Hi guys. Good morning. How are
Hi,
you?
good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Well, hi, how are you? I'm in the midst of heaven right now. Let me show you a view. That's a nice meditation yoga room. How does it look?
Beautiful.
In the hills.
Which place?
This is this is a property in Kasoli,
Oh, nice.
the sister-in-law's house. So just come to spend yesterday evening, gonna go back today morning. So bad
Okay.
connectivity, that's why a little delay in joining. That's where we are. And the sky, that's the house.
Mm-hmm.
So should we just hang on for another 2 minutes to see if more people are joining in, and then we'll just start. It's a beautiful day in the hills. It's nice and 21 degrees. So not cold. It's very comfortable, very cozy,
Mm-hmm.
and very beautiful. You can see the sky is blue,
Yeah, beautiful.
and the sun. I've got a halo of the sun on my head. That's the beautiful sun.
Okay, Pankaj, I wanted to say that I have started from today. I was not in
Okay,
town.
not a problem.
So I started juicing from today. And first
So
juice was,
let's all hold on. Honey, PC, Prabal, Neha, everyone, let's unmute and say welcome to Sejal. Welcome, Sejal.
Welcome,
thank
Sejal.
you. Thank
Welcome.
you.
Okay, tell us. You started today, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you had told me to do 3 days juicing and then I have to start one meal a day.
Okay. Right. Cooked
Yeah.
meal or raw? What did I tell you?
One cooked meal. Yeah.
Okay. So aaj you start your 3 days. It's going to be
Uh-huh.
very difficult today. It's going
Yeah.
to be difficult for the first 3 days. And
Actually, I went to meet my parents and I lost 70 grams there itself. I'm a vegan, so I didn't drink any coffee or no sweets or nothing. So in 3 days only, I lost some 700 grams.
that's a minor thing, ma'am. 700 grams
Yeah.
तो pre-workout, post-workout भी हो जाता है. Exercise करने के
Ha,
बाद भी
ha, 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 ha.
because they sweat almost 1 liter of
Yeah.
sweat out of the body. That's a minor thing. 700 grams. You're overweight
No, I am now 67.3.
against an ideal weight of.
I am 5'6". My height is 5'6", so I think not too overweight, a bit.
Very nice. So welcome aboard. Do your 3 days of juicing. And once
Yeah,
you're done with the 3 days, go to the OMADs that we discussed and
yeah,
follow the protocol. And wonderful.
yeah. Thank you.
Hi, we've got Neha as well now. So
हेलो मैंने अभी स्टार्ट नहीं कर पाया था क्योंकि मेरा वो वन ऑन वन कंसल्ट नहीं कर पाई थी मैं आपसे मेरा
आप
एक्चुअली
कहाँ से where are you calling from, Neha?
हाँ
Where are you from?
सिंगापुर
You are in Singapore or you are from Singapore?
नो आई एम इन सिंगापुर आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया
Yeah, you're a Vata.
हाँ मेरा वाता
What's it
बहुत
called?
हाई है और
I
मैं
can see that
एक्चुअली
in your face.
और नहीं वो आई कैन फील क्योंकि वो मुझे बहुत होता है जैसे मैं सुबह उठती हूँ तो वो मैं रात में भी अगर मुट्ठी बांधू ना आई कैन फील कि वो मैं नहीं बांध पा रही हूँ और कभी कभी मेरे नी में भी पेन होता है बहुत देर बैठ जाओ तो फिर उठो तो और लास्ट ईयर मेरा 3 kg वेट लॉस हो गया था तो भी मुझे है कि और वेट लॉस नहीं करना है
What's your problem? It's the Vata, ना?
या
बट वाता में गैस का बहुत ब्लोटिंग का चैलेंज है और कुछ है इसके अलावा वात के अलावा वात आई कैन सी ऑन योर फेस दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्क्ड यू कि आर यू वाता
या नहीं
बट
बहुत हाई है और एक्चुअली अर्ली मेनोपॉज हो गया है तो उसके बाद से मतलब और ज्यादा वो हो गया है
हाउ ओल्ड आर यू
41
दैट्स वेरी अर्ली you just do 3 days don't do more than 3 days
ओ
do 3
सिर्फ
days
जूसिंग
yeah 3 days juicing में क्या होगा नेहा but I want you to do juicing enema salt enemas
अच्छा वो कैसे
वो आप गूगल कर लो. एनिमा इज जस्ट बेसिकली आपका जितना भी लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन को साफ करने के लिए. Once you do the salt enemas, they help you. Okay, I've got my colleagues Ria and Vicky in the conference room. One second, sorry to disturb you, but can you see my background, Vicky, Ria?
Yeah, we can, Pankaj.
That's why we are here.
You're in Kasoli, I know that now.
My foreground.
Yeah,
Wow.
beautiful.
That's
So this is, I'm sitting in my yoga room. This is my sister-in-law's house. So we're not in a hotel, but it's a nice thing which I designed for them. I helped them design it. So that's the house. That's the property. So it's pretty cool. See? That's a yarn.
beautiful.
Okay, so let me finish with our friend Neha. Neha, listen. Enema
Yeah.
is basically you're pumping in water. Not even pumping; it's gravitational into your anal outlet. बहुत simple है. Amazon पे you can order it.
Okay.
It doesn't cost much. I think $2-3 or less, or maybe more, $5. तो उसमें कुछ नहीं, पानी डालना है, 1 liter warm water, and after
Okay.
you add water, add some salt, normal Tata or any iodized salt, and you use that to cleanse your gut 2-3 times a day.
Okay.
Your pith is not high, right?
No, pith is not high, cough is not high, only vata is very high.
You like when you have खाना वाना खाते हो तो अच्छा लगता है, चटनी और खट्टा अचार वगैरह मजा आता है ना.
हाँ.
शाबाश. तो अभी सुनो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. नमक डालो उसमें. Why are you laughing? Because I told you things on your face it's written. Okay, so add the salt in the enema. Do it twice or thrice whenever you
Okay.
feel bloated. Usme I'm just using the next 72 hours to cleanse your gut.
Okay.
Also order for an oil enema. Net पे देखना, Amazon पे मिलेगा, कहीं मिलेगा. It is like normal enema kit is a container.
Okay.
It's a container where you put water and gravitation से it goes into the anal inlet and then it comes out. तो आपका gut
Okay.
साफ. But in the case of very high vata, you should also get something called the oil enema. तो oil enema के लिए अलग आता है. जैसे एक injection होता है ना, syringe.
Yeah.
There's a big syringe kind of a thing, and you insert about 100 ml or 50 ml, not ज़्यादा, थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
50 ml बहुत है आपके लिए, since you're light, of sesame oil. तिल का तेल आता है, organic तिल का तेल. So once in a month or twice in a month, do a little of oil enema. So it is
Okay.
like a syringe with a tube. You insert it in the anal inlet. वो oil अंदर जाएगा और 2-3 घंटे में बाहर आ जाएगा. The source of all bloating is the anal outlet. That is what they call the gas factory also, right? That is a problem area. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा lubrication आएगा, you will feel better. So do that. But right now, do 3 days to cleanse your gut, which is juicing. You don't worry about the weight loss. अभी 3 दिन में 1 किलो 1.5 किलो जाएगा, लेकिन वो वापस आ जाएगा. Because you will put into regular meals. ठीक है?
Okay.
खाने खूब अच्छे से देसी घी खाओ. दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी हमेशा चुपड़ के खाओ. Eat fried rice. Okay, it's good for you. Fried rice. और पकोड़े जब मिले ना, मन भर के खाओ.
वो इस एक्चुअली वो फ्राइड फूड पसंद नहीं है.
नहीं, क्यों नहीं पसंद है? वाता में तो बहुत पसंद होता है. या तो कुछ गलत
नहीं,
खा रहे
पता
हो.
नहीं, वो शुरू से पसंद नहीं है तो वो मैं ज्यादा खा नहीं सकती हूँ.
ठीक है, डोंट फोर्स योरसेल्फ, बट अगर मन करेगा गो विद द टेस्ट बड्स. बट वाता का सबसे बड़ा हीलिंग इज लुब्रिकेशन एंड ऑयल एंड घी इनटेक. ठीक है, तो जितने भी वाता लोग होते हैं पकोड़ा खाने से उनको लाइटनेस फील होता है. और सुबह पोटैटोज खा रहे हो तो बॉइल्ड पोटैटोज की जगह सॉटेड पोटैटोज. ठीक है. Once you've done your 3 days, Neha,
Yeah.
it's a little difficult because you're underweight, इसलिए बॉडी खूब मांगेगी खाना. तो you can do your juices. अगर day 2 या कल या परसों बहुत ज्यादा वीकनेस या कुछ है तो आप अपने मैंगोज फ्रूट्स वगैरह खा लेना, since you're underweight. Understand what I'm saying? I don't allow
Yeah.
I tell you to eat. I'm telling you to eat if you're underweight. So eat your mangoes, but make sure for 72 hours only raw is going in your body and raw is coming out. You will get a lot of relief. And then you move to your regular diet. After 3 days, you move to OMADs. At least for 1 week, 1 cooked meal a day, और बाकी दिन भर juice, fruits, salads, and 1 cooked meal a day. right?
तो वो कुक मतलब रॉ वेजिटेबल्स में दिक्कत नहीं है, बोलते हैं वाता में रॉ वेजिटेबल।
रॉ मतलब डिपेंड करता है कौन सा रॉ खा रहे हो आप ज्यादा आप वो खाओगे कैबेज वैबेज तो प्रॉब्लम होगा, लेकिन अब जैसे इंडिया में ककड़ी आ रही है तो वाता लोग ककड़ी खा लेते, इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता, कई चीजें नुकसान करते हैं कहीं नहीं करती। सिंस यू स्टडीड सो मच यू विल नो, थोड़ा उसको सॉटे कर लो या ब्लांच कर लो उबले पानी में, दैट डिसीजन यू मेक,
ओके
right? But then have more of the fruits, then have tomatoes, have mangoes, have oranges, have pineapple, have pomegranate, have a lot of what do you call the avocado, toast पे लगा के, avocado is very good for vata, है ना? So all the vata pacifying stuff you do, but आप देखो आपकी प्रकृति अगर वाता है तो थोड़ा उसको मैनेज करके चलना पड़ेगा पूरी लाइफ, वो खत्म तो हो नहीं सकता, है ना? तो मैनेज आप करो और वो अपने आप इट विल बिकम बेटर विद टाइम, बट क्लेंजिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अच्छा एक चीज और करनी है नेहा, आई एम सॉरी आई एम टेकिंग टू मच टाइम विद नेहा, जस्ट एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर अ मिनट मोर। नेहा, वन थिंग मोर यू शुड डू, आई सजेस्ट यू डू द लिवर क्लेंस फर्स्ट। हैव यू
ओके।
डन इट?
नो।
वो गूगल करना, अपने ग्रुप पे भी है लिवर क्लेंस का प्रोटोकॉल, पीयूष सक्सेना ने बताया था, मेरे हमारे नेचर ब्राइट पे भी होगा, इट बी ऑन माय
अच्छा।
फेसबुक पेज, इफ यू सर्च लिवर क्लेंस पीयूष सक्सेना, वो आप कर लो। उसमें इट इज बेसिकली एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन ऑलिव ऑयल, वो आपका पूरा डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक क्लीन कर देगा एंड गॉल स्टोन भी चले जाएगा, तो जितना भी गैस ब्लोटिंग हो रहा है वो सडन ड्रॉप हो जाएगा इन 3 days।
Oh.
So I suggest if you can do the liver cleanse first, and then if you do the liver cleanse today, then tomorrow you have to eat. You can't go खाली पेट, क्योंकि लिवर क्लेंस करने के बाद ना आपको बहुत भूख लगेगा तो खिचड़ी विचड़ी खा लो, उसके
अच्छा।
बाद उसके 2 दिन बाद आप जूसिंग करना, इमीडिएटली मत करना।
ओके।
So do the liver cleanse first and then get into the fast.
या ओके, थैंक यू।
But good you will be, don't worry.
या
Hi Pankaj.
So any hands up? Hi Prabal, how are you, man?
Hi Pankaj. I'm good. So Pankaj, this is day 7. I lost almost 6 kgs.
Were you overweight? Were you underweight?
Yes, I was heavily overweight. I was 110.
Why have you not reported this good news on the group?
No, I just waited earlier today. I
अरे
didn't wait
7
for
किलो
6 days.
6 किलो जिसका चला गया उसको वेट करने के लिए तुमने बॉडी खुद बोल रही होगी, was you feeling good? Different zone altogether.
No, different mood. कभी अच्छा कभी बुरा। जैसे कल संडे था तो कल I was बहुत भूख लग रही थी। But anyways, no, I sometimes feel very energetic but sometimes very low. ये है। मैंने अपना ब्लड टेस्ट भी कराया था तो my thyroid is high. Although it was in limit में रहता था, लेकिन thyroid high है plus triglycerides so high. So
How old are you?
I'm 39.
You have no problem, just relax. Do your juicing.
Hmm.
And जैसे you are overweight, Prabal?
Yes, heavily overweight, 104 now from 110.
तो but anyways, you're in the right direction, and what's your height?
5'8".
Very good. So you need to come down to about 70. वो हो जाएगा, अभी नहीं होगा, अभी तुम्हारा 95 पे भी आ जाएंगे तो ठीक है। Once you do 95, then next month again we'll do it. We'll move to OMADs, but we are definitely for the next 3 months after the juicing is over, you will stay on OMADs for 3 months. बहुत आसान है, जिस आदमी ने 21 दिन कुछ नहीं खाया डेली खाने को मिल रहा है, बहुत बड़ी बात है। और 3 महीने में OMAD चलेगा और साथ में एक्सरसाइज चलेगी तो 3 महीने में तुम्हारा 20 किलो और कम हो जाएगा। So we'll get you 95 now and then next 3 months you'll come to 75. करने को तो जूसिंग कर सकते हो 2 महीने, लेकिन वो अच्छा नहीं क्योंकि चेहरे पे झुर्री आ जाएंगी, you'll get wrinkles and all. Don't do that.
नहीं, हाय पिता तो भूख बहुत लगती है, अर्ज बहुत होती है।
हाँ बस इसलिए what is the protocol we decided for you?
आपने बोला था 21 days जूस कर लो।
हाँ सो कर लो।
बट फ्रूट्स खा सकता हूँ क्या मैं आफ्टर अ वीक में भी? नहीं, अवॉइड करें।
Let's see if you can tolerate it for as long as you can. Keep tolerating because you're hugely overweight और पित्त ज्यादा है तो your fat burn will be great. In 21 days you should overall do about 12 kilos. 10 to 12
Okay.
kilos जाना चाहिए। 12 किलो अभी चला जाएगा, फ्रूट खाओगे 8-9 किलो जाएगा, नहीं खाओगे सीधा 12 चले जाएगा। You understand? So we are trying to do as much as we can. So you've crossed 7 days today. Try to do 9 days of juicing. 9 days के बाद we'll take the next milestone as 15 days.
Okay.
And 15 भी कर लिया, then you take 21 days.
Okay.
But tell your mind कि बस 9 दिन करना है अभी। आज कितने 7 दिन हो गया?
हाँ 7
2
days
दिन और कर लो juicing, क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
नहीं।
2 दिन बाद देखते हैं, मजा आएगा फिर कर लेंगे 5 दिन और।
And juice as much as I can or
Not as much as you can, as much as you want.
हाँ ठीक है, मैं लिमिटेड में लेता हूँ, ठीक है। Thank you,
डोंट हैव
Pankaj.
खट्टा, क्योंकि पित्त ज्यादा है, खट्टे से एसिडिटी होगा. और हैव अ लॉट ऑफ योर हाई पित्त, व्हाट परसेंटेज?
46.
हाँ, keep having your sweet juices, keep having your vegetable juices, keep paying the electricity bill for your juicer,
Which is
and it will be good. अभी प्रबल, जैसे ही तुम्हारा वेट अभी 90 100 से नीचे जाएगा ना,
Mhm,
once you cross the century,
mhm.
you will have a sudden level of energy shoot up and a certain level of joy, because mentally something in your system is going to tell you that, listen, I've done a fantastic job, man. And that's going to release such high level of endorphins, you'll feel so happy that that will take you to 95 on its own. You
Okay.
get my point? So
Yep.
that's the target, and you will meet someone. Make sure you meet someone whom you haven't met for 10 days.
Okay.
So let him or her tell you, oh my God, Prabal, you're looking so good, man. उससे
Yeah.
एक हफ्ता और निकल जाए, उससे एक हफ्ता और निकल जाएगा जूसिंग का.
ठीक है. No, thank you.
God bless, man.
Thank you.
Anyone else? Share your feedback. 7 kilos down, huh? Good. Motivate more people. 6 kilos.
Sure, sure. I will share today.
Who else? Yeah. Hello, Yakul, my friend. I'm
कैसे
in
हो
your
पंकज भाई?
neighborhood.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning. I'm in your neighborhood. I can see Chandigarh. Let me show you Chandigarh from here. So that is
Oh, you're in
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. I thought you have reached Kasol.
No, I'm in Kasauli. This is Chandigarh where I'm zooming down.
Oh,
That's
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
Oh, very
I'm in
nice,
the
very nice.
Kasauli. I told you I'm going to
Okay.
surprise my family, and so I've done that.
Oh,
They're
very
very
nice,
happy.
very nice.
Tell me, Yakul, how can I help you?
आई विश मेरा भी वाता हाई होता ताकि मेरे को भी पकोड़े खाने को मिल जाते, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली
अभी
लाइक
बोलते अभी क्या
नेहा
हो
इज
रहा
द
है,
लकी वन, शी गेट्स टू ईट रामेन.
अभी बोलते वक्त मुंह में पानी आता है पकोड़े.
हाँ, तो मैं यही कहने वाला था, ओपन फोरम पे प्लीज आप ये मैसेज डीएम कर दिया करो. ओपन फोरम में मत बोला करो, बिकॉज आई वांट डे 7 ऑफ जूसिंग.
Listen, Yakul, believe you me, I want you, after the 21 days are over, whenever we meet, we both will go for a pakoda party. Don't worry. We'll
डेफिनेटली
have
डेफिनेटली.
pakodas और मस्ती होके खाएंगे. पहले 1 घंटा भागेंगे, उसके बाद पकोड़े खाएंगे, फिर घूमेंगे फिरेंगे, ऐश करेंगे, लिव अ यंग लाइफ, हैप्पी लाइफ. खाने में कुछ भी रोक टोक नहीं होनी चाहिए. जो पसंद आए खाना चाहिए, जो करना चाहिए. आई एम इवन सेइंग पीपल हु आर फॉन्ड ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग, आई आल्सो लाइक टू पार्टी विद माय फ्रेंड्स एट टाइम्स. डोंट गिव अप ऑन लाइफ, है ना. कभी कभी मन करता है तो एक ड्रिंक मारना है, कुछ पकोड़े खाने हैं, जो करना है करो, लेकिन पहले अपने आप को शेप में ले आओ.
राइट
अपने आप को शेप में ले आओ, उसके बाद पाप करो, लेकिन उसको अगले दिन पाप को धो दो.
राइट.
Right? So tonight you are having your fit, your BMI is 23, you are energetic, everything is right. ये रीमा को कोई लिंक व्हाट्सएप करना है यार. प्रबल, she is trying to log in. Just copy the link from the group thing and just WhatsApp to Rima. ग्रुप में होगी. So
Sure.
what I'm, yeah, उसको भेज दो. So what I'm saying is, first get into shape. Many people make the mistake when they are fasting. उनको डर लगता है यार, जिंदगी खत्म हो गई, मैं कुछ खाऊंगा ही नहीं, मर जाऊंगा, कब तक खाऊंगा. फिर कोई दोस्त मिल जाता है कि व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद यू. फिर सबसे बेचारे वो होते हैं जिनको कोई डॉक्टर मिल जाता है कि खाओगे नहीं तो प्रोटीन कहाँ से आएगा, कार्ब कहाँ से आएगा, फैट कहाँ से आएगा. कोई उससे पूछे यार और कितना फैट चाहिए, 20 किलो तो एक्स्ट्रा फैट ऑलरेडी पड़ा हुआ है,
करेक्ट.
है ना. ये सडन डाइट मत करो. यू हैव टू बी ग्रेजुअल. यू कम टू मी, आई विल टेल यू कि सुबह एवोकाडो खाना है, फिर 9 बजे संतरा खाना है, 11 बजे ओट्स खाना है, 12 बजे पैकेज्ड कॉर्नफ्लेक्स खाना है, 2 बजे सेब खाना है, और 3 बजे
हाँ,
फादर
ये
पीना है. You know, so all that nonsense keeps happening, and then you say what is wrong with you boss. मेरे को बॉडी को क्या खाना है मैं बताऊंगा, बॉडी बताएगी या डॉक्टर बताएगा.
राइट.
So if there is fat, nature is very simple. अगर आदमी अंडरवेट है तो खाना खा लो, ओवरवेट है मत खाओ, खत्म बात. इसमें कोई है ही नहीं. there is nothing much
अच्छा,
to.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, कल टुडे इज माय डे 7. कल मेरे को आफ्टरनून से whenever I get up from the chair I feel little dizzy. It happened 3-4 times.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
No problem. No problem. No problem at all. What's your sugar level?
It is 168 today. Started off with 214. Day 1
ठीक
it
है.
was 214 fasting. It is 168 today.
So are we heading in the right direction?
Absolutely.
सब आएगा, चक्कर आएंगे, कभी कमर में दर्द होगा, किसके घुटनों में दर्द होगा, सबके दिमाग में दर्द होगा.
कल तो बहुत दिमाग में दर्द होता है, प्रबल सेट कल संडे था, इट वाज a tough day.
I know, it happens. It is very difficult. It was difficult for me also with my family and kids and this, that, organized barbecues, God knows what all. तो ऐसे ठीक है, I am on nomads, तो एक मील खाऊंगा, या तो रात को खिला दो या तो सुबह नाश्ता खिला देना, दोनों नहीं खाऊंगा. So I'm doing my bit. It's difficult, ठीक है, but always you put your chart, Yakul. 21 day का हमने क्या कितना किलो डिसाइड किया था? 10 kilos.
10 kilos.
हाँ, so
I
you
started with 101. I'm 98.5 today. 96.5, sorry. 96.5.
90 पे तो मजा ही आ जाएगा. और
Absolutely.
उसके बाद हम ओमैट्स पे जाएंगे 15-20 दिन के लिए. उसके बाद फिर 2 हफ्ते का झटका देंगे,
Okay.
फिर ओमैट्स पे जाएंगे, है ना? सो होपफुली बाय मॉनसून जुलाई यू शुड बी इन डांसिंग इन द रेन विद योर टी-शर्ट ऑफ.
Oh, very nice.
क्यों? इससे और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में यार 2 महीने में?
Correct,
शुगर
correct.
नॉर्मल होनी चाहिए. जितना शुगर का जितना भी मेडिकेशन एक्सटर्नल सपोर्ट मिनिमम होना चाहिए. Gradually wean that off and it'll all be good. So keep a target and follow the target. Put the sheet of thing on that
I'm-
thing. Sunday के दिन मुश्किल होता है. Watch a movie, read a book, do something. But you've done it, Yakul. You've done it. You've done the first 1 week. अभी तो कुछ नहीं बचा. एक
मेरे को
हफ्ता.
लगा बहुत इजी था. अब ये अभी एवरीबॉडी फर्स्ट 2 days वर टफ. मेरे फर्स्ट 2-3 days वर वेरी इजी. या तो
अब मुश्किल
जोश में
होगा.
निकल था, लेकिन now I'm actually kind of missing the food also, and there's last night तो मेरा पेट दर्द कर रहा था भूख के कारण. We had guest overs and I was drooling over peanuts, masala peanuts. Can you believe that? I was literally drooling over it.
कुछ भी लग जाता है. अभी करो अभी थोड़ा ये तपस्या है. इस तपस्या को 21 दिन की तपस्या को पूरा करो. जो पिछले 21 साल में पाप किए वो इस 21 दिन में धोने.
चलो ठीक है जी.
And you'll be very good. So continue. Sugar levels are dropping, things are falling on track, and you are rocking.
Thank you.
Okay, so we've got Reema and Honey. Honey raised first, so let's start with Honey. Hi, Honey.
Hi, Pankaj. Good morning.
Morning. I'm glad you don't have a partner with you because you'll make someone really insecure because the world says, "Hi, Honey, how are you?" Huh?
I know. I have been dealing with this name for years now, so I know.
Tell us.
Pankaj, I weigh myself today and I found
Just one
out to be
second. नरेश भाई आपको म्यूट कर लो, सीजल म्यूट कर लो, सचिन म्यूट कर लो, सब लोग प्लीज म्यूट कर लो. Honey, tell me.
Yeah, so on 11th April, I was on 11th. Can you hear me?
Yeah, everyone is on mute except for you, Honey. Tell us.
Yeah, I was on 59.8 on 11th April and today I'm on 53.5. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ज्यादा कम तो नहीं हो गया. So you tell me what is my ideal weight?
What's your height?
5'3", 5'4".
चलने दे. What was the protocol assigned to you?
Vata, only juices, no
For?
salt, no sugar. For you said after 9 days we'll check.
हाँ,
So
so
I'm at
check up.
7th day today.
तो 9 days पूरा करो. 9 days पूरा करो.
Just one thing to check, Pankaj. I think I'm not able to cleanse my system. I'm only having to go to the washroom to urinate, but not to poop or I think I'm a bit complicated. So what should I do?
Just continue normally for 9 days. The body is going through changes. Whenever you need to go to the washroom, it will tell you to go. At best, if you want, what's your Prakriti?
Vata was 55% and Pitta was 27%.
So the only thing that you can do for yourself is the castor oil in the morning. So have 2 spoons of castor oil with you drink castor oil with warm water. ऊपर से गर्म पानी पी लो. It'll make you rush to the loo in half an hour. It's horrible. It's terrible. The taste. Sick.
Yeah, please tell me something else. I'll not be able to do it. It's horrible.
So वो do that. नहीं तो then if you really want to go to the washroom at once, you can even buy a Trifla चूरन. वो ले लो. Trifla में problem नहीं है.
I used to do it. So can I do Trifla in the night and then or in the morning? What is that?
I don't know. Depends on how your body responds. कई लोग ये ना हो कि रात को 9 बजे लो फिर 2 बजे भागना पड़ जाए washroom. So you decide whether you want to do it in the morning or the evening.
Okay, so I can do only Trifla without the castor oil thing, and I stay with my juicing diet for another 2 days.
Castor is better, but in your case, since you've lost weight, you don't have much to lose. तो थोड़ा salt जा रहा है Trifla का जाने दो, कोई problem नहीं है.
ठीक है, done.
But you must be enjoying, you must be wearing your clothes and whatnot, or other clothes and all that stuff, huh?
I need to check, but yeah, I felt good today looking at the weighing machine. I was like, weighing machine is good, but yeah, I was feeling a bit easy. मतलब ऐसा नहीं था, मेरी body को पता चल रहा था कि मैंने weight reduce किया है. On Sunday when I went out, my trousers were loose, my dresses were loose, but 6 kg is too much to me, honestly.
Okay, that's good. Check your BMI and please report your BMI in the group. Ideal BMI for your height and age, which is your total weight divided by the square of the height in centimeters. आजकल तो इतना दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, formulas already डले हुए हैं. You can go to any site, ideal BMI, insert your weight in kilos and height, and you know your BMI कितना range है. But I want you again, honey, not to be in the correct range. If the correct range is 19 to 25, we don't want you in the correct range, we want you in the perfect range. If it's 19 to 25, try to come to 21, 22. You can do it now since you've already achieved so much now.
Yeah, I'm happy about it, and I do feel craving sometimes, like just like the peanut masala. हो रहा था बहुत कल, but yeah, I knew that नहीं ये है तो है और बिल्कुल कर ही रहा था. So I can do
Yeah,
it.
yeah, just carry on. Another 3 days, 9 days of juicing is enough for you. After 9 days, we'll move to the OMAD. So just 2 more days and you're done. And then we move to OMADs. Lots of fruits. दबा के fruits खाना. लोग party कर रहे हैं. Keep ordering watermelon, muskmelon, grapefruits, whatever you want to eat. Keep eating your fruits.
Yeah.
And दिन में एक बार call your friends over, go out and have this one nice meal. But don't eat kachra. Eat home food.
Yeah. I'll stay connected. Let me do it for like 9-10 days, and then we'll take it further.
Your system is gonna clean. Your system is already cleansing, and I'm sure people you haven't met over the last 1 week who meet you, they'll say, "Wow, man, honey, what's wrong with you? You're looking so cool."
Yeah, I think so. Thank you so much.
Cheers. Okay, we've got more people. Any more hands? We've got Rima. Hi, Rima.
Hi, Pankaj. So, Pankaj, today day 6, and I've had my energy crashing. Like I have absolutely no energy. I've taken an off. I want to work from home. As bad as that.
Yes, okay. So I sent that also. At times you would feel energetic, you want to run for 10 kilometers. At times you want to feel lethargic and sleep. Because body is going through a lot of changes. You know, and when you are going through a cleansing process, many a times you feel very sedated. मत लेता है सो जा रही हूँ, वो एक natural anesthesia आ जाता है. So you follow
Okay.
that. So if you're feeling drained and all, up and down will happen. अभी हनी बोल रही थी ना, she was feeling like day 2 or day 3 the world had come to an end. Right now you look at her, she's in office jumping around with joy. So all those changes will happen. You have to go through that. What I was telling Yakul, जो पिछले 21 साल के पाप किए वो 21 दिन में धोने हैं.
Okay.
Okay, so nothing, don't worry, you are fine. Look at what Yakul is, his sugar levels have come down, he's brought them down from 210 to 164. Gradually, देखो, without किसी medication के धीरे धीरे आ रहा है, correct हो रहा है. So pain तो होगा रीमा. और
Yeah.
पित्त में सबसे ज़्यादा तंगी होती है.
Yeah, possibly because my legs are also hurting me and my energy levels are down. So it's a bad spot.
Follow the protocol we discussed when we last spoke.
Okay.
What was it?
Okay.
9 days juicing, what was it?
Correct. 7 to 9 days of juicing.
हाँ तो आज 7 हो गए, 2 दिन और कर ले, and after day after tomorrow then we'll get into all the raw lots of vegetables and fruits and all. But this 2 days of pain is going to heal a lot of problems inside you.
Okay. Okay.
I know
Cool,
you're
thanks.
wanting me to tell you that go out and have a dosa. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to tell you that.
No. I don't want to do that. I'm not, I don't crave for that. Yeah. But I do want to have fruits per se. I wanted to have fruit yesterday, but I didn't. So,
Listen, I'll tell you what. Don't have it today. Today you complete your 7 days. आज 7th day है ना?
नहीं, आज 6th day है for me.
Okay. So don't do 9 days. Just do your 7 days tomorrow. Finish the 7 days, and then day after, let's start with the fruits.
Okay.
If it's really difficult. Yeah.
It's not difficult. I think it's just the energy has gone down. So I'm like wanting to have something.
कोकोनट पूछा हो कि खाई
So I think it's more to do with that. I'm
दूसरा
got no energy.
कोकोनट खा सकते 150 और वो
Avoid for now. नरेश भाई थोड़ा म्यूट करना पड़ेगा 1 सेकंड. अभी अवॉइड कर रीमा, प्लीज अभी अवॉइड कर. अभी आज 2 दिन और अवॉइड कर लो, आज और कल. और अभी थोड़ा बहुत कठिन है, बस 24 hours बचा है. परसों you get into fruits, have your bananas and all, you will get a spike of energy. अभी कुछ cleansing चल रहा है, the body is going through pain, just rest it out. अगर वायरल फीवर होता, कोविड होता, बीमारी होती तो भी पलंग पे पड़े होते ना.
Okay.
मान के चलो कि तबीयत खराब है यार, कल ठीक हो जाएगी, परसों ठीक हो जाएगी,
Okay.
है ना.
Okay.
And you're losing weight also, and do that whatever I told you, try to do an enema, gut cleanse and all, and it'll help you.
Okay. That's something I can't do. I could never make up my mind to do it, but yeah.
So do
That's going okay.
do some castor, just take some castor oil and swallow it down. It'll make you rush to the loo, and the moment that you go to the loo, you will feel lighter.
I'm not really constipated till now.
No,
So-
you're not. But the fact is that there is old muck in the system which needs to come out. The more you cleanse yourself by going to the washroom, the faster the process is.
Okay.
So have that
Okay.
castor oil ka 2-3 chammach. And if you are at home, you can do it now also. Just get any organic chammach, have 3 chammach, and after 2-3 hours or 1 hour, you will have the urge to go to the washroom, and that will help you in the journey.
2
Trust me.
spoons. I think. Have 2 spoons.
हाँ, 2 spoons को लेके उसको टेस्ट नहीं करना, बहुत गंदा है. Just gulp it down and have warm water, and you will be good. और उससे कोई असर नहीं होता, 2 चम्मच और लो. अगर
Oh my-
बहुत जल्दी असर हो जाता
So
है तो
this is
system
worse
खराब है.
than your liver cleanse story.
No, it is nothing. Liver cleanse में तो oil पीना होता है. This is 2 spoons. It tastes horrible, but it's just 2 spoons. So you have the 2 spoons, and on top of it you have some juice. उसके पहले have that, have garam pani, so it will go inside, and then have a glass of room temperature juice. Don't have ठंडा juice. Taste दब जाएगा,
Okay. Okay.
है ना?
Okay.
Don't worry. I know you guys hate me, but you will thank me after.
No. We don't hate you. At least I don't, and I'm very grateful. I think it's more like we're treating you like agony aunt right now. We know that what is right, but we still want to hear it to follow it. So yeah.
So if there was
So-
a dick, lovely. So you will be good. Don't worry.
Thanks.
And listen, I'm going to be on the road, all of you today, from 11 o'clock to 5-6 o'clock. So anyone wants to have any discussion, please feel free to call me. I can chat. Don't message because I'm going to be. I won't be able to message, but I can talk anytime. All of today. Sumi, my friend, how are you?
Yesterday was tough. All day was absolutely fine, but the evening got very tough. I just had like pangs. Not hunger pangs, but they were more like a twist in the stomach, like I could feel the churn very bad. So I had soup, being very high pitta, so I had soup. I sent the picture of soup.
No, but soup is more for high vata. For pitta, you don't need soup. You have cold juices. I don't know who told you pitta ke liye soup is good. It's okay. It's not harmful, but it's not like wow. If you have high vata, then you should do the soups.
Okay. So cold juices. So the whole day I had juice and nariyal pani.
हाँ, तो जो stomach में cramps हो रहे हैं ना, this will be the same cramps when you have an upset tummy and you're getting loosies. You get a similar cramp. Understand?
Day before I had a couple of loosies.
हाँ.
But yesterday I was fine.
So I'll tell you, look at this. Can you guys see this mat? Rubber mat? Unmute and say yes. So I know people are listening. No one is sleeping and all that. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Everyone unmute.
Yes,
Now.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I will just reverse my camera. Okay. Now this is a rubber mat. Okay.
Yeah.
आप imagine करो ये आपकी intestine है और उसके अंदर इतनी जगह रह गई है. लेकिन आपकी जो actual intestine थी ना इतनी थी. This was the thickness that God gave you. But the kachra, the pizza ये पड़ा, pasta ये रहा, ये burger, ये छोले भटूरे, ये सब जुड़ता चला गया और ये सब अटका पड़ा है सिस्टम में. First it was so flexible your system. Now इतना layer बन गया है मुड़ नहीं रहा है. Understand? It has become so thick that you can't even move it. It's become so hard. What is happening to you, Sumi, now is you are cleaning this up.
Right.
You are cleaning this up. You will clean this up, and once you clean all of it up, it won't happen in 21 days. It could take maybe 2 years also. लेकिन कम से कम ये साफ हो जाएगा ना इतना, you will start feeling young. And once it all cleans up, you will become like a child, as soft as this. So that's exactly your body. There is nothing more to the human body than this entire thing. Are you getting my point?
Right, right.
So
Got
that's
it.
all that you need to do. That's all you need to do. Clean, 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 clean. Keep throwing up the old muck, and which is all this layer. That's why पेट क्यों मोटा हो रहा है? पेट में या तो किसी के गैस बनी पड़ी है बाता है, लेकिन ये पेट में कचरा है. These extra layers are all the kachra lying in the body which comes out. So people who have lost, some gentleman was there, na, abhi, what's his name, who's lost about 7 kilos or 6 kilos, Prabal, and he lost 6 kilos, but in 6 kilos उसने कुछ खाया नहीं 6 days in the last 1 week. But he still lost 6 kilos. So he's gone to the washroom. 6 kilos has come out, which is this layer has come out. More will come. और जैसे जैसे layer निकलेगा सुमी, it will give you pain and grief.
Okay.
But it is not surgery वाला pain, दर्द हो रहा है. It is discomfort.
Yeah.
कोई भी
Yeah,
दर्द
it
हो.
was like, so I guess. So like it was bad cramps. So until I had the soup, the cramps continued. After the soup, it got okay.
It's okay, because what happens is the cramps are happening. They were trying to wash off the layer by having the soup. Now the body got busy in drinking the soup. So you felt good कि चलो क्रैम्प बंद हो गया, लेकिन हकीकत में क्या हुआ, जो क्लेंजिंग चल रही थी आपने रोक दी उसको. अब वो सूप डाइजेशन में चला गया वो.
Now what do I do?
Now let the cramps happen again, no problem.
Basically go back, just do juicing, don't take soups.
Follow the protocol that I told you. I don't remember, but I've discussed in depth. Follow that protocol. If you're high on vata, it's good to have the soup, but in your case, I don't know if it is a vata pitta, I don't recall, but follow the protocol as is. You will be fine.
Okay.
All of you,
I'll
please
call you
understand.
today to discuss my protocol once again, because I had 2 results, so I'm pretty confused about which
So
one
abhi ka
to
check kar, abhi ka result check kar, and we'll touch base with you in 5 minutes again. Just do a test
Okay.
right now, and then raise your hand after 5 minutes. We will do it right now.
Okay.
Okay, we've got a hand raised from Neetu ji.
Hi, Pankaj. How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Thank you so much. I can't tell you, I'm feeling much lighter. I've lost not really 3 kgs, but yes, 2.5 kgs. I'm trying to follow it for the first time in my life, following someone for the first time in my life, feeling much, much better. Thank you so much. But tell me
Thank you.
one thing,
Sorry, I
like,
don't
you know,
recall the background, Neetu. You're from? Sorry, I'm just
I'm
missing
from
out on too many people.
Kanpur. I'm
Delhi?
from
Kanpur,
Kanpur.
okay.
Yeah. And I met Beena yesterday. So we're all friends. Sanjay, Beena, all of us are friends. Lavanya. So I was.
Sanjay Lavani. Sanjay, my neighbor, my friend. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So she's here in Kanpur, and I was telling her I joined this group and I'm doing it. So generally, but tell me one thing, people are saying, you know, ऐसे हो रहा है, वैसे हो रहा है, मुझे कुछ हो नहीं रहा, I'm feeling very strange. Of course, I've lost 2.5 kg.
Are you a kapha? Are you a
मेरा
kapha?
cough and with 38% आया था.
Correct.
And
Kapha,
with 25% आया था.
Neetu, you are a
हाँ.
blessed soul. Okay, you have a very good balance of kapha and pitta. So you are naturally, your body is very balanced. You don't have any major dosha. तो इसलिए आपकी ये are you overweight?
I'm trying to bring that down. I wanted to lose 8-10 kgs. I'm hoping to do that.
What is your current?
My current, now I've come to 64.5 and my height is 5.2. But I had gone up to 67, which was terrible.
Got it. I've got all your, I'll tell you your thing. You are very balanced. Okay. You don't have any gas issues. You don't have major insomnia, stress, insecurity. You don't have the major things that bog mankind. You are very peaceful to a great extent.
Yeah.
Right. So that's what you are. And because you are so, I say you are a blessed soul. So there is nothing for you to worry. You continue with the juicing. Keep having juices as per your taste, as per your desire. Do it for the entire 21 days. You should be able to knock off about 6 more kilos, which is okay. Once you knock off 6 more kilos and you cross the 60 ka barrier, उसके 2 फायदे होंगे. एक तो obviously appearance and weight loss and all is good. Since you're going to be carrying less weight, your heart will be operating at a much better pace. In the cleansing process, you will cleanse your gut, you will cleanse your liver, you will cleanse all the stones in the gallbladder. You will be at least 20 years younger, right? Biologically, you will feel much younger, right?
Yeah.
there is
Yeah.
any, God forbid, if there is anything in the body which is unwanted,
Right.
that could have its own repercussions at a later age, that will get reversed.
Right.
Okay. Now I want everyone to unmute and just say yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
आप सब गाड़ी service, it's a very cliche thing, but the human, we are the stupidest people on planet Earth, because we send our cars for servicing every 6 months or 3 months, है ना? But the human body, only when जब टूटती है ना, जब हम उसको देखते हैं, सर्विस तो हम करते ही नहीं.
सही बात.
Okay. So what I'm getting you to do, Neetu, is
Yeah.
a service for a lifetime.
Thanks.
Once you do 3 weeks of servicing, you will be so cleansed. And I've got this lady from Singapore, Honey. I was talking to her. I don't know if she's in the call, but you know, she and I, if I remember correctly, Honey, just correct me if I'm wrong. She was chatting with me yesterday, and it is not only the food that you are abstaining for a month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Your willpower will be so strong, so strong, so strong that you can overcome so many things in life.
Thanks.
You know, so it's going to be wonderful for you. Continue that, and
One more
pray to
thing.
God and thank God for the fact that you're so well balanced on your doshas.
Tell me one more thing about the elimination also. I mean, the bowel movements and all. I mean, I have not had major like loose motions or constipation. Is that also fine?
Yeah, you're absolutely. That's why I said. So you are a very balanced one. For you, the journey will be very easy. You don't have any major dosha. तो बहुत आसान
No, the
जाएगा.
balanced, I'm not balanced about my eating. I love to eat. अब वही
No,
बंद
I'm
करा है.
talking about the body doshas. Balanced, तो वो तो those are addictions and craving, right?
Right.
We have people who love their alcohol and they guzzle about half a bottle every evening,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
That is not, but they're very healthy. They're balanced because people have been drinking for 25 years. I know a friend, I don't want to name him. He's a very dear friend. He's been doing more than half a bottle 9 times a week, which is 7 evenings and 2 afternoons, Saturdays and Sundays, since
Wow.
2000, 24
Wow.
years.
Wow.
And
Yeah.
he is a heavy drinker. He was a heavy smoker. He's quit smoking, but he's been drinking heavily. Okay. And he is absolutely fine. I always need to touch wood when I say this for him, right?
Got it.
But
Got it.
he's a blessed soul. His body is accepting it. I keep telling him that one day it's going to give in, right?
Yeah.
So finally, he followed us on the juicing thing. And now he does his juicing and he does like 3 weeks of fasting, cleanses his body, and then he goes back to his life. But he enjoys his alcohol. He likes to hang around his friends. So he does that, then he cleanses it, right? So I'm not advocating alcohol, but I'm saying that his body is balanced. Your body is balanced.
And normally, I mean, how often should one do this 21-day thing or a 7-day thing? Or...
No, 21 day, you're doing it only once, that we're starting it now. And if
Okay.
there is any ailment in the future, will you need to do a 21 day? But what you will do is after every month, 2 months or 3 months, depending on how you feel, like suddenly you went for a wedding for 3 days and दबा के खाया पिया, गंदा गंदा लग रहा है, बाहर का खाना खाया, वीकनेस हो रही है, lethargy हो रही है, चेहरे पे पिंपल्स आ रहे हैं, 3 दिन जूसिंग कर लिया, सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
Got it. Got it.
So then it is SOS.
Yeah.
Right. Then you really, and that's what it is. You'll understand your own body, and there's nothing. There's no hard and fast rule. But 21 days is a threshold in my experience, which has worked for a lot of people. That's why I advocate the 21 days.
No, I'm feeling much better. People are commenting also. My daughter is saying, you're looking better, slimmer. So thanks to you. Thank you so much, Pankaj.
Yeah, do encourage more people on the group when you get time. Share your experiences, your
I
journey
will.
so far. What I also want you to understand is that since your daughter is encouraging you, remember, जो खाने का जो process होता है ना, नरेश भाई, प्रीति गोयल, सुमी, Sejal, all of you guys, Neha, Sachin, Deepti, all of you. Remember, जो खाने का जो process होता है ना, वो 5-6 चीजें होती हैं उसमें. पहले सब्जी काटना, कुकर पे चढ़ाना, कुक करना, तड़का लगाना, टेबल सजाना. Even if you have helps doing it for you, but this entire process is cooking, setting the table, then sitting, then eating, then walking around and digesting. It's a 1.5, 2 hour process. As far as you are concerned, continue cooking, continue doing your job. The only thing you won't do is eat. So what will happen? You won't miss too much. You will only miss that 15 minutes when your kids are eating and you're feeding them. वो 15 मिनट की तपस्या है. After 15 minutes, when they've eaten or your spouse has eaten, they'll say, "Oh man, I'm feeling heavy and I want to burp," and you are saying, "Chalo, ho gaya. Now the time is over. I'm done." So don't miss on the entire process. Just miss out on the eating part. So it will make your journey much easier.
Yeah, magically, I think after 3-4 days, you stop craving food. It becomes very normal. बहुत normal हो गया है.
So go back to the group about 2 or 3 months ago. I put a video where I picked it from a movie. I don't know which one it was, but I was watching a very nice movie, and it tells you after 3 days, the body learns. Every cell has its own brain. Okay, every cell is smart. Every single of the trillions of cells you have, and they realize कि बाहर से तो कुछ मिल नहीं रहा. So they make
Yeah.
peace with themselves and they start cleaning up the old mug. लेकिन जो craving होती है वो आएगी.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Neetu, anyway, so go for the 21 days and let's take
Thank
a
you.
call after you've done your 9 days on how you're feeling. And after 9, we'll take the threshold of 15. And after 15, we'll take the threshold of 21. And gradually we'll decide when we want to move to raw fruits and vegetables.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, anyone else? I think we're done. Yakul, we're done. Sejal, we're done. Any hand raises? Preeti, hi, how are you? Okay, we've got Sumi.
So I've just redone my body type check. So it's showing 50% Vata, 25% Kapha and Pitta.
So you have your soup.
I'm speaking.
Have your soups in the evening.
Yeah,
Vegetable soup. Yeah. Vata ke sath karo. Or prakriti change hogi. Do the test again after 3 days. And if it moves towards Pitta, then you reduce the soups. Have a soup every evening. It'll make you feel much lighter.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. Preeti Goyal is muted.
So
Hi, Preeti. How are you?
I was very regular for the first 3 days. I lost 1.2 kilos. Saturday, Sunday was the 4th and 5th day, and we were all going out. So I did end up eating a few bites, which I know I shouldn't have done it. I mean, on Saturday, I just had fruits. I ate fruits. And on Sunday, I just had a few spoons of Rajma Chawal. I'm guilty of it. From today, I'm not going to put any food in my mouth and back to juicing. And after eating, I felt so much guilt. And I could feel my stomach actually being heavy and realizing, oh my God, it is having to do the work after 3 days of juicing. So, yeah. So from today, I'm going to go on a strict diet again.
Follow the protocol, Preeti. You'll be good. Don't worry. What's gone is gone. I'm glad you've spoken it out and follow the protocol. And again, time is not lost. We still have time.
Okay. Thank you.
You'll be good. Follow the protocol. Naresh bhai, good to see your smiling face. Yakul, you also have to smile. You and Naresh are the two smiling heroes of the group. Yes, we've got Yakul smiling at Naresh. Yeah, these are the guys with the best smile. Look at him. Tell me, Naresh bhai, बताएं.
मेरा तो सही चल रहा है सब कुछ आपने जैसे बताया प्रोटोकॉल में फॉलो कर रहा हूँ और ग्रेट गोइंग है एवरीथिंग स्ट्रेचिंग पार्ट है एक्सरसाइज पार्ट है जहाँ खाना चल रहा है कुछ भी सब ओके फाइन है.
Very good. You're enjoying your खिचड़ी घी लगा के खिचड़ी खा रहे हो?
Yeah, enjoying.
Very good. Continue. हाँ.
दीपिका को कुछ कहना है.
पंकज मेरे को पूछना था कि अगर ज्यादा क्रेविंग हो और भूख लगे तो कोकोनट खा सकते हैं?
हाँ, आपका वाता ज्यादा है मैम. हाँ, कोकोनट खाओ. कोकोनट का वो खाओ, मलाई बहुत फायदा करेगा.
अच्छा, नहीं जो कोकोनट हार्ड शेल वाला आता है वो कोकोनट के साथ थोड़ी खजूर और वो खा सकते हैं?
हाँ, बहुत फायदा करेगा वाता में. बहुत पैसे पाएंगे. वो आपको उसका टेस्ट भी बहुत बढ़िया लगेगा और फायदा भी बहुत करेगा. और मुंह में बात करते करते उसका पानी भी आएगा, उसके सपने भी आएंगे. खाओ उसको.
मेरे को क्या थोड़ी भूख ज्यादा लगती है तो मैंने सोचा, और फ्रूट्स तो मेरे को अच्छे ही नहीं लगते हैं पहले से ही.
नहीं आप ये खाओ, ये बात के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. इट्स वेरी गुड.
ठीक है.
एंजॉय. फॉलो द प्रोटोकॉल. जो बोला उससे एक्स्ट्रा मत करना, उतना ही कीजिएगा.
ओके.
Thank you guys. Thank you Rima. Thank you Naresh bhai. Thank you. Everyone is left. Everyone is out busy making money. Let me also go make some money. Bye. See you guys. Bye Neha.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Take care. Thank you. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.